everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a brand new box, and this box is called Wildflower Confections. Wildflower Confections. I'll get it right one of these times. And this is how the box arrived to my home, and it is light. I mean, I could pick it up with one finger, but I think it's very well packaged, and it's a smaller box inside here, but I wanted to show you what it looked like when it shows up at your door. There are a few choices in the size that you receive when you open the box. So we're gonna open it and get this bigger box out of the way.
A lot of paper.
Yeah. So that's gonna go up and over your head. There we go. So this is what we need.
I like the tissue paper.
Isn't that cute?
Little birds.
Yeah, little birds
Little
on there.
birdies, Mama.
So here's the pamphlet that we received. And like I said, this is Wildflower Confections, and they're from Darby, Montana. So, this is a chocolate company, and you can get this box every month. You can get it every other month. You can get it seasonal. They have 3 different size boxes, and you can get the small box, the medium box, or the grand assortment box. And the difference in the prices, the small box is $11.32 a month. The medium box is $30.91 a month, and the grand box is $39.99 a month. And they have, you know, different flavors you can choose from, and they do have alcohol-based chocolates that you can choose too. So
I always want to try this chocolate that has like vodka in it.
Yeah. They also, for each month, they have a theme. So I mean, you can, you know, if you choose the monthly box, that you'll get different that theme for that month. So
it looks like you have a tail.
Oh.
All you saw was her tail. It looked like you had a tail.
My puppy is in the video as well. There's like, I will leave all this information. There's so much information. We would be here all night if I tried to tell you everything. But on the back, it does tell you a little bit about them. Their Wildflower Confections creates an artisan chocolate for discerning gourmets. Their priority is full flavor. They achieve this through pure and simple ingredients. Wildflower Confection founder and owner Barbara has the philosophy of learning techniques and then embellishing with healthier and tastier pure and simple ingredients. The business started in 2008 when she was inspired to delve into chocolate experimentation and online research. So they're more so a more natural chocolate creator. They don't use additives and preservatives, so I'm kind of curious to see, you know, what their chocolate tastes like. I read some of the reviews, and the reviews say that their chocolate's amazing, so we're gonna see. But the theme for the chocolate this month is fall flavors, so I'm kind of curious. I don't know, so we're gonna see. Let's see what this chocolate tastes like. So here's our box and what it looks like again, and open it up. I was in the mood for some chocolate.
I'm just glad there's another box that like we can do together.
I know.
And it's chocolate.
Yes. Wonderful chocolate. There's what it looks like. It's
very
beautiful.
pretty.
Yes, it is. I love what that looks like. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of chocolate in here. All right, 25 pieces of chocolate in here, and it's 10.5 ounces. It tells you how many ounces it weighs. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Oh my,
I think this might be
it looks beautiful.
the 16 piece or a 25.
Okay,
piece.
so this is the grand.
I think so.
Yeah.
It says you can do monthly payments, or you can also do a one-time payment. So you pay a big lump sum at once, and then you can just get your boxes.
Just keep getting your box
every month.
Oh, we got a low battery. Wow, we will be sure and hurry and eat this as fast as we can.
No problem there.
Look at that. That is, oh my
so
goodness.
pretty.
I'm gonna take a guess and say that maple leaf is maple flavored chocolate. It looks yummy. Now there's a little secret you don't know about Miss Miranda. She doesn't like chocolate covered cherries, so we're gonna cross our fingers there's no chocolate covered cherries.
I'm gonna make her taste everything before I do.
Well, I'm gonna gather that those in the middle have some fillings, so I'm thinking
We'll chance it. I'm grabbing right here.
she's gonna chance it for us. Oh,
Chocolate
they
heaven.
look so yummy. They just look delish. Oh,
I
look
don't know
at
what that was, but I just ate something off the top of it.
Isn't that just so cute? Look how thick it is. It is beautiful. Oh, it smells amazing.
This one's really good.
Oh, that's peanut butter. And caramel.
I don't know what this one is. It's just regular
It's like
chocolate.
salted caramel and peanut butter.
You know those Lindor truffles that you can get and it has like the really creamy like chocolate in the middle?
Yeah.
That's what this is right here.
Oh my
this
God.
is so good.
Dark chocolate, salted caramel, and peanut butter in this.
That was really good.
Oh my gosh.
It just like melted in my mouth.
I have to eat the rest of it. Oh my. Amazing.
That one looks like a little teacup.
Yummy.
We should have got it in a fork or a knife. We could like split it in half.
Oh,
This literally is like a little teacup.
it's so cute.
Like, look at that. I don't even know what's in the middle of that, but that looks so good.
So cute. Oh look, there's another one. It's a teacup over here. Aww. It looks like a little...
This is coffee flavored.
Is it? Aw. Maybe that's what the coffee... It's a coffee cup then. Aw. That is so cute.
Yeah, I taste rich coffee in this. That is really good.
They're flipped upside down. That is so cute. Like, look. It looks like a little diamond or something. So cute.
That was really good.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna steal this one. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna eat it.
I know.
I cannot place that taste. Like, I don't know. I can't tell what it is. I think it's pumpkin. I think it's pumpkin. I think it's pumpkin, or I just can't. It's good. I don't know what it is, but I think it's pumpkin. Oh my goodness.
I feel like right now I'm gonna gain like 10 pounds just eating this box.
OMG.
There's another one, the square one. Got a little something on top. I don't know what this stuff is.
This tastes like a candle that I burn. It really, I mean, I can't. That's amazing. Wow.
This is filled with caramel.
This is so good. You guys have got to order one of these because this is crazy amazing.
This is so good. Like I love our like when we do our yum boxes and stuff, but I would so much prefer like this box every month. Like this is so good.
Wow. And I mean, obviously we're not gonna be able to sit here and eat the whole box of chocolate, but this is amazing. Amazing.
It's so good.
I cannot.
I need to know like their secret.
Yes.
Like, can I come work for you?
Yes. This is, wow.
I'll be your official taste
love it.
tester.
Love it.
Oh my god, so good.
And I picked 2 dark chocolate pieces. And the dark chocolate is not overwhelming, you know?
There's a flavor of this one that I can't. I can't tell, but it's so good.
This one is almost like a caramel latte or something. It just is like pumpkin latte or pumpkin caramel latte or something like that. It's just...
This is like every girl's like thing they need every month for their time of the month.
Yes.
Like
That was...
I'm in heaven.
I feel so relaxed now.
I know.
I feel better, thank you.
Oh my god, this is so good. And I was a little like nervous at first when it was like...
Yeah, I told her that there was fall flavors and she's just like,
Yeah.
oh, no.
And I'm like, oh, like, how different can this chocolate be than like any other chocolate? But this is so good. Like, I can't get over
She
how
was
good
very
this
nervous, and now there you have it. This
is.
great box.
So good.
We put a little dent in it anyway. It was very good. Thank you, Wildflower Confections. Very amazing chocolate. I highly recommend this chocolate. We're gonna keep eating this probably over the next couple of days, but we cannot. I don't know about her, but I don't think I can eat anymore because I just, if I do, I probably won't be able to eat dinner, and I have to go to work too. So this was amazing.
Yeah,
Thank you
grocery
so
shopping.
much. I appreciate you sending this box to me. I loved every single bite of
This
it.
is so good. This
Amazing.
is like my
Thank
favorite
you.
box that you get at all. Like,
Yes,
all
hands
times.
down.
Oh my god, it's
Crazy
so good.
amazing chocolate. Love it. Best tasting chocolate ever.
I want to become their taste tester. Like, this is so good.
It was amazing. Thank you very much again. I highly recommend this box. If you guys would like to get your own Wildflower Confections, I'll leave all the info down below so that you can head on over to their website and get yourself your own box, because I'm not sharing my chocolate with anybody but Miranda.
It's a good thing both of our men don't like chocolate.
I know, right? they wouldn't get any. We'd hide it. So, but anyway, that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and we're sorry that we can't pass you a piece of chocolate. It's virtually impossible. So
Maybe one day.
yeah, someday, yes. That is it, my friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and don't forget to click the link and check out Wildflower Confections, and we'll see you next time in our next video. Bye now.